This is Sunday human news. Human beings being evacuated from the Serbian flood. Thousands of them. That's the reality of human life. The human beings are being evacuated from the flood. They're going to lose everything they own. They're going to lose everything they own. Floods are real bad. It's the weather. The weather's been bad all year. The weather's been bad all year all around the world. Things are getting out of hand with the weather. It's warmer than normal. Some tornadoes. The Serbian flood. It's going to cost a lot of people their homes, their lives. They'll be uprooted. More poverty. More suffering. More agony. People have to suffer through this. People have to suffer through this because that's what it is. It's a natural disaster. But the Serbian floods, there's thousands to evacuate. And they're rescuing them boat by boat, dozen by dozen. They're doing the best they can. It's a bad flood. Weather's been way unpredictable. Yet they say climate warming isn't happening. They say climate warming isn't happening. The world is changing slowly but surely. You can see it in the weather. You can see it in the heat. You can see it in the tornadoes. You can see it in human life. The world is changing weather-wise in human life because you're getting more bad weather than ever before. And that's not a bad sign. That's not a good sign. It's a sign of climate warming is coming. It is happening. It's a sign of climate warming is happening. It's the truth of human life. And we better stop using the greenhouse gases. We better start protecting our world and our air zone safety. And because they're eating away at the atmosphere. It's eating the hole in the atmosphere. This is Sunday News. Thank you for watching.